The next question is from GATE 2005. The function x of t is shown in the figure. Even and odd parts of a unit step function u of t are respectively. So the question wants you to find out the even and odd parts of u of t. But you cannot use u even of t equal to, I mean this equation, u even of t equal to u of t plus u of minus t by 2. You cannot use it. This was very simple, but you cannot use it because in the options you can see the even and odd parts are in terms of x of t and some quotient, I mean constant, right? Here is a constant x of t, so there is no u of t inside it. So what we have to do is we have to express x of t, I mean u of t in terms of x of t. Okay. So the primary aim is to express u of t in terms of x of t. Okay, let us do that. Then only we will arrive at the any of the options, any of the four options. Okay. So before that, my question is, what happens if I add one to x of t? That means I am clamping x of t exactly 1 unit to upwards. So this graph becomes like this. This is 1 plus x of t, right? X of t is just clamped to 1 unit. So this minus 1, the constant at minus 1 goes to constant at 0. That is here. Okay. This constant at 1 goes to constant at 2. This thing. Okay. So this is 1 plus x of t. Now, is it u of t? Is the resultant u of t? No, because the amplitude is 2. If it was a 1, we can definitely say that it is u of t. So, what I have to do is I have to divide it by 2. Then it becomes u of t. So, we have found out an expression that u of t is equal to 1 plus x of t whole by 2, means half plus half x of t. Okay, now you can directly use this expression. Okay, u of t plus u of minus t by 2, because u of t we have here as an expression. Therefore, what is u of minus t? U of minus t is equal to, wherever you find t, you replace it with minus t. So half plus half x of minus t. And what about x of minus t? Is it in the option? There is no option like x of minus t. So we have to again look at the signal x of t. This is signal x of t. What should be x of minus t? You can see that signal x of t is, I mean, signal x of t is an anti-symmetric signal, because the reflection of this positive portion about the y-axis is negative of the same portion, right? These two portions are negative of each other. So this is anti-symmetric. I can say confidently that this is anti-symmetric, and since it is anti-symmetric, we can say that the signal x of t is odd. And since x of t is odd, we can say x of minus t is equal to minus x of t. Okay, so instead of x of minus t, I am putting it as minus x of t. So u of minus t is equal to half minus half x of t, because x of minus t is minus x of t. Okay, so we have u of t here and u of minus t here. Therefore, the even part of the signal u even of t is equal to u of t plus u of minus t by 2. That is equal to, what is u of t? This equation, half plus half x of t by okay, plus, that is just u of t. Now plus u of minus t also, this equation, u of minus t is half minus half x of t whole divided by 2. So from the numerator we can cancel these two terms. So half plus half by 2 is 1 by 2. Okay, so even part is 1 by 2. So we can say that option A may be correct, C may be correct. D and D are eliminated. Now let us see what is U odd of t. So what is the expression for U odd of t? U odd of t will be equal to U of t minus U of minus t whole by 2. Okay, so we can write U odd of t is equal to U of t. You can make this equation, that is half plus half x of t, okay, minus U of minus t. So you have to take the minus of this equation. So minus half plus half x of t whole divided by 2, and in the numerator you can cancel out these two terms. So half x of t plus half x of t by 2 is x of t by 2, that is equal to x of t by 2. So u odd of t is x of t by 2. That means this thing. So option A is correct.